In this tutorial, we will show you how to use Video.io subtitle editor in just a few simple steps. First, create a new project. Upload your video by clicking Add Video button. And select your video. While your video is uploading, you can change your project name. Select Subtitles menu on the left. Choose your language, font type and font size. Adjust subtitle location on video preview. And Video.io will create auto subtitles for you with a single click. In a few moments, your subtitles will be presented in Video Editor timeline. Now as your auto subtitles are generated, you may go to Subtitle Editor. Here you can adjust your subtitles or synchronize text with your video. Or you can even change subtitles location on video without regenerating again. If you are happy with your preview of your video, choose your desired resolution and quality settings, and you can export your video. Now your video with subtitles is ready, you can download or share your video in social media. Generating AI subtitles is made easy with Video.io. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI video editing tips. We are Video.io, video with double O.